If this is the love you promised me, onaga we mama nuya mame mekwe oh. This love is just an insecurity, and you are too possessive now. Now we mama. But you said that you love me and you treat me like a queen. So reverse is just the case. You don't have to kill me. You've told me to a pushback and you've shortened my life. This is not the love you promised. I don't want to live here with my dead body. I know they do, I know they do, I know they do no more. I know they do, I know they do, I know they do no more. Love is the sweetest and so beautiful. I want money, memenuwe okbolo. Oriome nijayo. Marriage is for better and for worse, but this is just unacceptable. You made me to do this. Una sebe yo. Oma zede keke na mwekoge omegbe meke na we momaje ewegi manahu. I'm only just a victim of our circumstances. I believe in my God. He will make a way. He will wipe my tears away. Osanera Lareo. Please come and wipe my tears away. Lareo. No do yogo me kiyogo. Otuni kieme ne yavere dagume gogo. Let it be an happy end for me, oh Lord.
You know go to now. You know go to the water. Eh? You are bad enough. Ojo ka so wa ko pe. Eh?
So ready plan now. Nobody has supposed to marry me moto. You marry me moto be say.
What did they say? Ya anyway. I can. Me not no nya go make us so wa ko ko me dey yo wa. U me le o me ton.
People say that but now in the you see me want to me. What want to me brother?
Will you shut up your mouth? Oh, tu me plan anyway. Nous make na zip who can you moto that we moto we no be moto no. Eh na. Oh you know say. Just call them and tell them that who win now. Will you get off my side? Don't get it. Stupid.
But you said that you love me and you treat me like a queen. So reverse is just the case. You don't have to kill me. You've told me to a pushback and you've shortened my life. This is not the love you promised me. I don't want to live here.
I thought you were just trying to
You know we are coming here. And we are coming here. Idiot when you was as a housewife. The moment where you go, I don't go. Oh my boy. Are you hungry?
This is my life. How can you stop me from working? I'm not working very honest. No.
Idiot quote what? No guy full housewife. That's one of boy. Who would win up? I can't get back home, man.
Babe, wait to me. This is my light. You can't stop me from shining. There's any lot of home as usual.
You saw me where you been at me.
When I didn't look at Bao.
Yeah, you baba. Eh? Side.
Please don't stop me.
This is just unacceptable. You made me
to right now. Any word from you. Get this stuff, my friend. You are stupid. Will you get inside? Wow, what we do, one.
My tears away, this strong and white, my tears away, Lareo.
Can't stop me from working. You stop me from working is like you're cutting short my what is my dream to work and be a boss of my own, even as a married woman. Eh?
In time, I don't go back to my ways. Now, you where you was a full housewife, so who knew you now? Where as a housewife?
Okay, there they go.
You don't pack your things?
Yes, sir. Okay. Book your one. Send your message. No, Oga said I don't work, so we'll continue for that again stop. Continue from where?
Walk. Any ask get when we are team, we ask get to our wedding, we manage the video. The rest we ask get to our live and make here to open the bubble. I'm so we know here.
Babe, you can't tell how to go now. This is not fair. It's not fair.
No worry, I get to account for that. They send me to you when you get to work. What I was saying.
Don't come now, don't go on this stop and I get back. Okay, no when I and now you stop me from working. You shut me down totally. It's not fair.
You are so anyway. You didn't say what the domestic problem is so. Yeah, you want a man boy.
Then I should not work.
I really even know that we
I want to work. You need women. I want to be a boss of my own. I want to be a robot. At least I want to be a boss of my own. It's too wicked.
Oh, yeah, only swimming with him.
It's not fair. It's not fair. No matter.
Wow. You can go back to say,
Making our woman, I'm only just a victim of our circumstances. I believe in my God, He will make it well.
Most of this whole thing, unless I stop from where you get him. Oh, when you get him, everyone will back. Ask again, so at this very point, I'm not the one responsible for everything. Unless what shows done in life, problem. When I stop me totally, then I'm just all I do now is just stay at home and cook, take care of the children, of the kids.
Ni totally ni leba enemu enu gba no emno da for my time mama gba na je ni just come time anywhere women's education and this kitchen kitchen ko ni o di mana ya end no e de gbo ko ni o de enwi na yi
well if copy we and copy this immaterial copy and I get copy at this is immaterial copy yes and I copy I can to the for your appreciate I want what my work my okay do way we are way say oh we want to
unless I've shut down my life completely. School have very joy. School not zero me. I graduated with a very good result. The result is useless as we speak.
All this vanity, all this useless to you. But I mean, don't go. My wife don't go there. All this stuff. Or that way, I will write to us somewhere. I like more. I'm more. They can't do the for and you the
yes, have a support.
Yes, we are the what about the school? Not we have a photo. If you have a to your husband. Oh, when you where you ready, well, time. Obey your husband. I would have stopped it. Imagine the buyer going by and give you buy. It came to I will really have no more. He said, oh, only I will have that. How do I say that?
You know what, but when you need to do things again, my BPM. Or they do why I did.
Go and learn more from your husbands.
Amana.
Hey, what did that? Why be bad as what I want? The anyway for that. What go for?
We are about to type back. Imagine me,
I believe in my God, He will make it well. He will wipe my tears away. This one and wipe my tears away.
I'm not getting it. Let me call you back.
How do I look? You make birthday Bella.
Like this?
I've been more sexy one. You know, so that they are like, well, yes. I want to worry. You understand? Yeah, where a big man wife and it's a party.
Oh, no, no, no. He's simple.
Okay, what? I don't get it. What I'm wearing is okay. I don't know what to do. I love you.
You are not going anywhere.
A birthday or saving Bella. Bella will be saying a day for me 247. They will say, oh, he has celebrated birthday and it is not fair. No. Don't even start it. Don't start today, please.
I repeat again,
I must go this birthday today now. No. Where you are when you like it when you are restricting me. You like it when you are restricting movement in it. It's done already. I don't like it. Let me go to this birthday. Eh? This is the first Jesus.
No, stop, Lorraine, stop this. No, babe, stop.
I said, Zimbi. Anyway, Shami, I not talk. No, answer that kind of question. Why I not see you already?
It wasn't my fault though. Something came up. Then when all of a sudden, family family meeting or they know the so we now went there. From the meeting, now we are here. You are at the end of the day. Meeting. Now I'm so sorry.
You know I know you too well.
Yes.
You know I know you very well. Una told me. I didn't know. Una we are acting as I said you women know. I said even be that before that day, a better than one more say. One more we had a better we all tongue even that very day, the money of feet of my birthday. One of the tier where I go be. Okay.
Yes. My purpose got disposed. Okay. Let me tell you, something came up.
I know you. You never put that for somebody birthday.
It's not.
What is this? One I know black hair.
No. Makeup. I was trying to wipe it off.
So you might give me makeup. I said, what are you doing to yourself? Whoa, this guy is maltreating you. This is not marriage. Whoa, a marriage you do or die. You do or die. You will leave. Upa. Yeah, a marriage is bondage. This guy they maltreat you. Okay, no, till you die, till who know you will name, okay, where is a normal thing, now for better for worse.
I will. And I come on away or we normal thing.
Go for peace.
Oh, the one they agree with what do we have a settle. It's a normal thing.
Go for if marriage be like your own, may I remain single for my life. Make I remain single for my life. God forbid.
A marriage more my was to say,
what she say, oh, what she say. This guy will kill you one day. He will kill you someday. One look back. And he look you, he get where. I said, just leave. But I wanted to marry. This guy is not good for you. He's not good for you. Can't you see?
Bella, when he may leave.
Yes.
Now I see. You better end not them. It's obvious. Who jealous? Yes, now. Who jealous? Or see now by seeing by what do who that was my marrying away? Yes, my marrying. Who jealous if we marry you can't go the way. So now you want me to leave so that me and that boy at this street, my Barry street.
No, wait. I said me jealous of you.
Yes, this is an act of jealousy. You know?
I know you are joking.
I'm not joking, no. I'm not joking. Because a boss say well, I'm scared at this point. I'm scared of you because you might poison me one day.
Me poison you?
Yes.
Because of marriage.
You are jealous that I'm married. Yes. You are jealous.
It's okay. Even as a friend, you advise you.
Advise me was what I was expecting from you is that why you were now so that when you leave now the church now come up when I do your own.
How long will you pray?
I will keep praying.
You keep praying.
I will keep praying till one day God will touch him and everything will be fine. Unless you are telling me to leave. You make it leave. For better for worse, you know.
Egbe worse now, Seren. Egbe worse now.
I will Bella Guarioa. Yes, or at this yes, I'm scared of you.
I beg you, they go that I don't know. I don't understand. See, they worry so.
Bella, how they go as for real? I'm serious. At this point, I'm scared of you because you are a jealous friend with him.
I know you are joking. You they go that side.
Bella, Guarioa.
Like you are serious.
Yes, you are saying no, no. You are not a good friend. Telling me to leave my husband's house. And you think I was? Yes. Why Guarioa? You have tried. Bella, they go.
Like you are serious.
I'm serious.
Now we are vested with.
Guarioa.
It's okay.
As a friend, you advise me. Let's see what we'll do. Maybe okay, let me see talk to this man. Don't be feel where they know. I should leave. It's just like that.
It's okay. I'm sorry. We advise you with. It's okay.
I'm jealous people.
I'm jealous of you.
You are jealous. Bella, you are jealous. You are jealous of the fact that I got married before you.
It's okay.
But not them. I got married. My married. When you come up back.
So Nicolette, when I say
they go, Bella, they go. Jealousy. Also, no one no. When you need to do the Bavarian strict. As soon you can't take me out of my husband's house. I remain here for better for worse.
We are here. Like this. That's what you are doing.
Use your attitude. I understand. You can hear that thing. You may for you when you are one. You may for when you do the opposite, just opposite here.
Well, here you are doing by Wabo.
You may change. Oh no, babe, stop already. You know why you know we are changing here? I do maybe opposite. Babe, insecurity when it's getting too much. Please, just opposite for that.
Are you mad? What you are? Well, look away.
You don't come up. Must you have to beat? Must you have to abuse him?
Wa gbe o nya onu kai wona wa wo wa. Mo ka mo no ja church si. Wa go go o ma no rie. Wa gun alu ma. You get this go say para ko na re. Wa o wa be no wo wa na. Ewe. Ta gun o se me mo ko.
This love is true.
Mo ka sa wo wa o.
Security, and you are too possessive now. Now we're more.
Babe, you like for me. I don't want to bring you back. So the time you want to
Ni de de wa la ke refresh ni wa ri o.
worry about.
Yeah. Ba si.
I made your favorites. Sauce. Enjoy.
Ziegbe.
Daddy? Oh.
Yelo le nai. Inyoro na ya bi yo na. Me di nyoro. O se bi agba, o so no nu am ki me adie. You forgot. O we agbe mewa. O we agbe mewa. Anuma. Don't be going to you attend for. Eh?
What's the video what is?
You're stupid. You are eh? What let here? What let get every time. Don't you want me to call you? Always you say, Coco. You don't understand. Every time you attend for. What bell? Every day, man.
I know they do no more. I know they do no more.
My head is here. We will out. I don't know when I want to do it. No, Papa, I have it. Papa, and you know, daughter, for other people, Mateo, who be away at it. But men never have every back to one. But this is what we want to war over that one on the football with the mouth, or even what you want them will buy with you on the way of no back. But we are how we want to live with that, you have no battle. But who are you?
Oh, well, what's an American? You never want to me. Make it never. You can never. Make a woman who can begin you, Javani.
But what we woman when I buy that for one animal. Ah, we are in my own. Who must be my own? Ah, they will, but I want to be a fair way. What is that? It will have
Very, very, if you buy a jig, then I'll get it. Oh,
that's for you. We are
no, I don't know one with this. The radio. Any I can't wake or Batako, Ripoto, I'm a gadget.
I did to go. You were right. We have to make sure that.
Oh, when?
So, rule down with your bow one. Rule that one when you walk. Nika wa Bunika, you can't know. Ni wani. That must stop me from working. That man has shut down my life.
I want to that. I will pay. Hey, don't afford it. I want to go. My wife to stop working. I always stop with them. The last one, my the very wife of so where you my way be my you copy but yeah you don't mount
we have been going to one. We get back book. In the baboon, my baby.
But this is just unacceptable. You made me to do this. Una severa yo. Oma se de keke na mwe koge o meke meke na we momaje ewegi mana. I'm only just a bit.
Aye biti na tena. Iba fie ni ri o. Ebi kere wa fie ono wa ko ye wa tete.
Eri ewa ni mo go ni. O stop on pe. Gbogbo tó rẹ àmọ̀ṣẹ̀ ẹ̀wọ̀n ìbò tó mọ ẹ̀kọ́ ẹ̀ ọwọ́ rẹ̀ máa pa ní bọ́ mọ́ ẹ̀ lóye ọ̀sọ́mọ̀ pé ẹ̀ mọ̀ bí ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ̀ lọ. Kàmẹ́wẹ́ wíwà ẹ̀wẹ́ ẹ̀dẹ́rẹ́ mọ̀ yọ̀ kàmẹ́wẹ́ òpẹ́ ọ̀gbìn wúlò ẹ̀ tọ́tọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ ta.
You will not go tell me that. Make it like come on take him because he got tell me so many so you ata wogi no. We no take him na oh I worry me no.
I mean no ma dia ni wata wo dia.
No ye dey can one me.
Where she say very well. Where you go? Oh, when o ma ku awu. Come we wa come we e to la de wa we go ra go. Ulu e. Kagba yo come we wa e. Oh so mo gbe. O gbe. Owo obi. Ebu mi a jogun na. O le na o boya fe re ko di abi ye ni. Ah,
e dogo ro gba bi omo.
Oh. What say? Is that the one? What do you do? Oro ni go.
Ija!
O pe pe la bi.
Ah.
Ìyá wa yẹ yí ṣe gbé owó ìyá wa ó pè pé ló pa sínú gbọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ ṣe bẹ̀
o mẹ́ta fi èmi
àkọ́kọ́ mi lẹ́yìn pé yẹ ìjọlọ torí àṣẹpẹ́tẹ́ wọ́n mi àárọ̀ ṣẹ́ṣẹ́ ọ̀dọ̀ wa rẹ̀ bro ni wo gbọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ ṣe o
bàbá wọ́n ní ẹ̀ tí
ọgbọ́ ẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ máa gbá oúnjẹ ayé
ìyá tí bàbá ṣe pẹ̀
straight it ọkọ̀ ní à ọkọ̀ ayé náà afọ egbe orese si ewo ke eze afọ egbe ja be egbe ta ni o o si Maka, apology. The way I forget that.
And it's not he was who are to look forward to the Mario Biju. They will have you go to them every time. Huh?
You're in a way to that. And you're seeing. Working out here, some women. And how you get to live? Can't I run my dear life?
Dear life, the family may be bow. Family may say, no, be ya da. Urume ya ye. Le was one of the legend of Melvin Yago, would have you and after you. What you will lie ever. I was a car or we are your liquor. You don't know I will care boss. I'm not even another.
Just imagine. Just look at how terrible your attitude is. Now, Jamai forward, you just came to beg. You're taking me home. The next thing now, you are coming up with another problem. I'm not. I don't have strength for all this your trouble that you are bringing up again because before you know it now, you will blaming. I'm living here.
I'm living here.
I'm living.
I don't understand.
I know. Even if anything, do
keep quiet. Zegbe. What to
Boy, you said that you love me and you treat me like a queen. So queen reverse is just a case. You don't have to keep me. You've turned me to a pushback and you've shortened my life. This is not the love you promised me. I don't want to live here with my dead body. I know they do. I know they do. I know they do so more.
Merci. Okay. Come over to do what?
Come now, let me know.
Okay, no,
What do be Baba?
I do be Baba. Who remember what do be Baba? What they bloody as we speak?
Why did bloody wait your side?
Why like you know they bloody?
Mommy.
I'm my menstrual period now.
So, I'm not your husband.
Okay. The same you. Traditional man. Who are like you know bloody.
Man, I a traditional man. Man can be allowed. I can be allowed now. You know, say traditional.
No, or irritating me. I can't do it.
That you're in a sit like me.
Or irritating me. I'm not doing it.
No.
You like it? What's use family? Please stop. Stop. Tina, I don't like it.
This is not the love you promised me.
I need to
I don't want to live here with my dead body.
See. Look at my friend. Also, you told him how you were married. Or see how I'm going to you are bow Howard, Emma. I call me a bewa. We are now bow Waviana. But no matter who. No way you may you. No matter where you may be footstep. I'm trying to learn from you. If I see that you are dealing with your wife that is giving her abuse and beating her all the time, what will I copy from you? Emma, tell me now.
So, they don't now say me able to zoo.
What's it?
You can't tell me how to control my home, how to handle my family. You can't tell me how way. Only what's in a book of the year in that walk.
Oh, what's your volume down in our passage?
No. Come on. First and last. You no concern the family make me interfere. How can you be an emo who walk head up person to one? I don't understand. You might understand the we won't men what do I win do I win more thing? My brother, who look here? See what missionary.
Who wants to believe that they will have to? Just imagine. I'm trying my best to help you. What about the bank? I ain't that much here. Yeah, luck me so fabulous. Mohammed, I worry. Yeah, was in the or see when why I go one or that for any mundano. Oh, it's what Bohoniwa. I got Boa. Eh, not Tano Haji. La Gogo. What boy?
I said.
I know.
So don't I said,
What's her name?
no, again, good day, honestly. Again, I've talked to her. I go and even say, yeah, what's it going like? He bought anyway, like the last time I went there. You know, my bed or marry, you know, Kenya, no was it's a black guy or yeah. What's no or cannot be a go, but you got a phone give it that black eye. You know, okay. This old marriage now, but worry. You know what she said to me? Away, Della, I know you are jealous of me because you are not married. I am married. Away, me, I'm. No, what's the idea? No.
Why you go one?
No.
You have to talk to her. She's gonna end up dead there.
I don't care.
That guy is a beast. I know him now. Alex, a beast, you know now. I'm going to walk better. Oh, see, guys. Why the good boy? The good time.
I don't try.
You have to.
No. I've tried. Are we here? But so, oh, we need you. Are we here? But where? Or don't I go with the low way? Or don't I have a way zona? Oh, we need you. I've tried my best. No, I beg. I don't feel good. No, what? No, I beg. I don't care. No. I know she's my friend, but I've tried. I win you. Did I kid her or only for say way? You drag her in away. I can't drag her. She's an adult. I beg.
Baby.
I beg.
You have to try.
This love is just an insecurity, and you are too possessive now.
Zigby.
When
I can now. Zigby, my we marriage now working now. It's what even watch you. You know you are with me.
I will beg you. Who made no young marry, no we marry. You know we are with me.
We walk for me. Say we marriage na makwena. We dey guni. If I can apa.
What you need? Who are we? If I make attempts to yapa. I have made attempts to leave this house several times. But you know the worst part of it. That's so many.
Matter.
I have escaped several times. Why I pull it over I've tried my best.
Baby, even your father don't have a say in your life.
I'm tired.
What is the marriage era? Even because the last time I talked to her, I wasn't jealous. So I'm going to go no. Yes, so only in West what is jealousy? On that winning power, you know,
Jesus!
What
is that? To my why are you married? Who will marriage? Who will manage marriage now? On a marriage? What marriage will you wear so tall?
Just look at you. What they wear? I said, hey, God, I beg for you. Any marriage is here. Oh, hey, Jesus. Zegbe.
Anyway,
how back even they are headed.
But in it so, I don't understand.
No, women like him. They really win here.
Am I
I want good day. What man me the book on that one I good one go come on your water. Who want to honor this to be? Many people like we want to go take go. I think get the number.
Hey, Mark Bros. Yakpa. Well, let me Bewa. She's your wife. Bewa, what? Ben, who toy? You. Boy. What?
I'm a song of somebody.
That's she. I said, if your marriage is your husband, well, like, just to be to my own name. Nonsense.
I'm a shower of my dear mama. Damn! Oh, yeah, never! What will it be like? Wow, what did they go? Wow, will not go. Where was it?
You promised me, but now we're woman, no yamame, make way. This love is just an insecurity, and you are too possessive now.
Babe. Em muito bem,
Where?
Muito bem,
You mean that? You might understand. We're not going to rush out. No, I'm going to time out. Eh?
It's not even because I'm wearing it. I don't understand. Then I shall wait time.
Keep quiet. Me, I'm going to say. What me before? No, what I said. What you shotgun? Oh no, what do?
Just let me go there. If I have a most fun, I have it. Also, I have a what I'm doing there.
Go here, go on, check this place.
There's nothing wrong with it now.
Oh, you know.
Oh, why are you not trying to know? Ha!
Eh?
Ni mo le gbe. Ni mo le gbe, ni mo se le gba again. All of my friends that are there, none of them. No mo le gbe. Go man and look at.
Go in there, go and change this dress out. No, when money go work again. Get out of here!
Only like you are treating it.
It's not fair.
It's not fair.
Money for where here?
It's not fair. Anyone was saying when you are changed, it's not fair. It's not fair.
It's your thing now. Yeah, go on. Open the logo, the one with a shower. I don't understand. Yeah, one wedding, we go here. Wow.
Bella wages. Oh my God. I hold a day that's strong. I take it. I trust you. Wow. Where are most? What am I making most? People, when we are now, where is the country? Anyway, last week we were sharp. Oh my God!
You promised me.
Wow, very nice. I said it. Yes. When all day the matter shake it down. You see this reunion? I can't wait to see her. Falling out of it. Oh my God. No, it's fine. No, she's doing good. You know, she's very fine. I'm a kid. Yeah. Oh, wow. I'm very happy. She'll be here very soon. All right. Surprise. I'm telling you, I want to enjoy the evening. Barbecue,
security, and you are too possessive now. Now we're when you said that you love me, and you told me to quit. So when I begin now,
who would have been better than me? I'm not going to mention. Oh, big disappear. I agree. So good. You are here when the woman. Oh, you better find the piazza. You don't pass a woman who will wear at school.
So, maybe why you don't steal or I'm not
a culture to cover it. Generally, as I do.
But there was nothing wrong with that. The way can I say, argue and say, at least you have people who may not be able to say, but we have a way, who could have made it.
Just go inside. Full of stress.
Oh, you want to make it sense. This your insecurity attitude is getting out of hand. You're too much. You're too possessive. You're too insecure. It's not fair. There are other people they don't marry me. They will look hot. Yes, anybody here with our just imagine if other persons now they are being for me, they carry my child up and or die will be.
What is wrong? Not going to be. Not because a married woman. You not want with what will be. You not want to go where?
Say what you mean.
He said, "Mother, honor the little work. Good for you. He said, what you mean? Honor like that."
You see?
What one? Bible now we are careful.
He make a body my life like him, like us.
Make it. Or born our.
I don't want to live here with my dead body. I know they do. I know they do. I know they do no more. I know they do. I know they do. I know they do no more.
No, I said in me. What we did is not bad.
Who made them wear?
It's okay.
Where
was I said, can I see you? Yeah, no.
Take banana as a 1 year. I don't
this is really for Christ's sake. This is what I was talking now. Why you need to disgrace and disgrace yourself, disgrace me every time?
Making Papa maybe hot equal. Always not care any job. I'm not going to back.
For a very long time. Secondary school reunion for that matter.
I'm not going to back.
What you trying to convince now?
I tried. We manage that as
this is not one idea. Okay, all of for today. You see where we go now?
Nobody more. Or women are more yet. They're pretty powerful. This is dead.
If we made, I'm ashamed.
I beg, just go.
Anyway, they take it personal. Why me no? Am I complaining? Beg me, let's go. That's it, you're not here. Now what's it?
So beautiful.
What surprise? Wow. Did you manage to? Oh my God. I was already too soon.
But I enjoy, you know, it's okay. You guys will calm down. But I really, you know, right now, subject, I said. No,
Hello?
It's okay, right now, she's fine. She's okay. She's fine. Okay? Why? Yes, let's just pretend we have picture of them.
Hello.
What's it doing here? And what do we have to do, Mammy?
Just got here, no? I worry, actually, the man settled down, said, already disturbing me.
If 10 minutes, we will walk on the way now.
Hey, Yadu, Bible, what do you make that same one? Okay? She's here now. Where was her? It's very important. No problem.
I really missed you guys so much. You are okay.
I'm sure we're still okay.
I didn't know that. Oh, baby, how are you? Nice. Very nice. Oh, where was the one John? I was in there. I know
Hello? Oh, yeah, what? Papa, no, I did. Who was on me? You go to what I Papa. I didn't know say. Oh, who me and okay, who are you here? You know, we did see who may come in your way.
That's even if other persons are here, their husbands are not disturbing them. Who go and look at eh? Who go and look at
Who were from who were in them there do what Pamotoni? Who were them? You are so stupid.
Now, what's your name? Let me have fun for once in life. I beg. Let me have fun for once in life.
Who were?
Stop calling me. Stop disturbing me. You are true. You are a man. Oh, where am I now? The me at your wife. The me let me turn at your wife. Matter. When my mother is swing. Woman, I get you out. Just come and see how miserable you've turned me. You know, he has to get I was imagine. I better leave me alone. I won't put no sense. Opa Charlie.
Reverse is just a case. You don't have to kill me. You've turned me to a pushback and you've shortened my life.
Oh, I see. Simple. So that you don't know who they. Oh, it be up here. I must have your color before you. Exactly. And then after you go on, I see what it is. Who will ever say, where the union? Telling you about one night. Oh, I shall go.
Ross, mind your speech. Ross, mind your speech. Oh. I shall go. I shall go.
You are what bitch one.
If this is the love you promise me, this love is just an insecurity, and you are too possessive now.
Wonderful marriage. Ilé wa do it.
Sweethearts. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, I love you so much. I don't know, say I'm just trying to protect you.
You're trying to protect me?
Yes.
I wanna think of disgrace you in the union. Do you know the storms that you put in that place today? We are making it to say anybody matter. When I got there, all my friends, they were all laughing at me. You saw how beautiful everybody was. When you don't fear about me, they had seen that was not enough. You now came and pull up your stone.
Say, you married a woman. I was see whether you're married. That's a maybe that you're married. I don't want to. So you got to protect what I'm trying to protect. You must say, me. I hope you're not taking away. You look not taking. Enjoy. You understand? Let's try to protect you.
Looking like a slave. Looking like a slave. Now slow. The worst part is not allow me to drive your car to that place. They beg him, I want more loud. Yes. What manner of marriage?
I love you so much. I love you. You know, I'm not going to lose you.
You promise me.
You can't give me the outfit. You want to see me. I know you don't this marriage.
I know they do no more.
My big brother. What? Where's he going? Where Pablo? Hey, what? You got it, no way. Yeah, we're going to come see where for. Yeah, I can't put away now. I don't know where. One guy, let me make a call. They call you give me 2 hours time. They go there. People know. Whatever I call it. I'll give money to you. Don't worry. Give me a minute.
I'm only just a victim of a circumstances. I believe in my God. He will
call at all. Why? What's wrong? 3 minutes come, I'm walking. I don't know where you want to argue me. You may have to talk to the wrong. I will argue why I am what. Yes, no, anyway, I have more baby. Oh, could you? I will tell you. Oh, could you? Where can you be? That is a comment. What I mean, you make a lot of time. What a bull. Oh, maybe one Jimmy cannot afford or one. Do you not win? Younger, who have your quality? But you're going to one more. You're going to see go. Lawa. You will Lawa. Maybe I will do all of you will Lawa. Nanny, anybody way.
This is not the law. You
Why are you going?
I don't want to be my dead body. I know they do. I know they do no more. I know they do. I know they do. I know they do no more. If this is the love you promise me, on a highway, woman, no yamame, make way.
Check it for me. Check it. Well, other than that, 50 years ago,
every time we move a day, if you have they carry no son. They can't even take a video on you. Don't you know what's happening? Woman branding me. I'm stupid. Who are they? Everything you correct for one. Woman don't even know.
I'm sorry, let me change it.
Sorry for what? Who has true? Rubbish. Everybody boy. Every time who do you know?
Right. It's Yami. Wow.
Who go get say on a new? Who go get say on a new now? Eh? Ira. I say, what the people mean now? Eh? Who made their cock and say? Who made their cock and say? What? I'm going better. You say it's what ground. It's what ground. Everyone is telling what you're going to send them. You're going to be a cancer. Why could you do very rubbish?
Babe.
This is not the law you promised me.
This is what I passed every day of my life. Okay. I hope you're happy now, right? Like it with me.
I know they do no more. Possessive now, we move on. Would you say that you love me and you treat me like a queen? So being a hygiena, reverse is just a kiss. You don't have to keep me. You've told me to approach, but you've shortened my life. What
is truth?
This is not the law you promised me. I don't want want to live here with my dead body. I know they do. I know they do. I know they do no more. I know they do. I know they do. I know they do no more.
That boy is a violent person. He beats me every day. As I speak, unless he stop me, I can't even walk right now. Unless I shut down my life, I can't do anything. All I do is stay at home, cook for him, cook for our baby, just take care of house chores. That's all. And I wish women when you're there, every baby still be managed every recent thing. There's never been a day in my marriage that there's a beautiful moment between me and my husband. Because I'm tired.
You promise me.
Amy after Nearway or Senalis. You will on it. On our body. I need a man. Among a kino, we are book. Erimao, a matter moment when I tap. Among a kino, we are book. I am where equal, me and Magbasu. Why wouldn't do what be a man could be our own? Now, yeah, wireless. Yeah, go. He can't go. I'll be talking to him severally all the time regarding this domestic violence. But yeah, the big boy, you want. Yeah, go. You will go to now.
I won't lie to you. I'm fed up already. They go hold on the woman. They go hold on the worst possible way. Or the women, all women, they will return me back to me.
Wow, look at your talk. I said, you are fed up. You cannot be fed up. I know this is supposed to be like this, but don't worry. I'll talk to him, that way, and I'm sure you things will change.
You promise me. I'll be very happy to see a better version of this.
He's my friend. I will talk to him. Okay? Just relax and be yourself. See, you see, you are a woman. You have a role to play.
I'm playing my role.
You will try. Or Azao. Zao. If you look here, or what Zao, you will have I just get up something with you, but I actually came to see you that way. Oh, I'm walking me through when we're so about we are
I don't understand. Where are you? Do I tell you my way? I think the man gets a.
When we're all here now, I
think my brother or my friend.
From friendship, I like very based on where a family friend may be that way, that year. When I need soon this, any down the woman I did the woman, so you make it a work one. You take it easy. It's hard. Oh, no.
Is here, babe? Is here, babe? Is here, babe? Hey.
But what are it so?
Izengwe, one man, only not be away. Una be with a cow, not a visual delay. Una boss me and we are sending the matrimonial home. May I almost in it? I tell you, una boy, I do where I am. When you are where, when you are with me, even we are here, what I tell you, my
Alice.
Sorry for what?
Alice, take it easy. You have to take it down.
You don't understand. Are you mad? Are you mad?
I think I want you now.
Alice, man, you can't do what, Bella? Alice, man,
Wa go Obi. Wa gbewa.
Oh my God.
Where una yi?
Oh my God.
What kind of rubbish is this?
Now.
Huh?
Fadeki!
Go to where?
This guy boy.
Bewa. Oh no, my kind of rubber snow, my kind of. Yeah, look away. Oh, call it. Lock you up in the wine up here. No sense.
Let's not be more B. Man! Is it when you get less be more B? Man! Zembe! And all you say, Zembe boy! Zembe!
This love is just, I mean, security.
Zembe!
And you
Zembe!
possess
So,
it now.
where? What's in that movie? Where? What's in the look no matter what I get back with it, don't do that.
You don't have to keep me.
What's the whole people where? Everybody say where? What?
This is not the love you promised me. I know they do no more. I know they do no more. If this is love, you promise me. This love is just, I mean, security, and you are too possessive now. Boy, you said that you love me, and you treat me like a queen. So queen Agijina, reverse is just a case. You don't have to keep me. You've told me to.
Yes, ma, open gate. Open the gate.
This is not the love you promised me. I don't want to live here with my dead body. I know they do no more. If this is the love you promised me, this love is just, I mean, security, and you are too possessive now. Boy, you said that you love me, and you treat me like a queen.
You said what? Oh my God, where's the doctor? Where?
You've told me to approach back, and you've shortened my life. This is not the love you promised me. My dead body. I know they do no more.
No fear, no. One of
Okay, just imagine. Oh, say the word. Just imagine I lost it because of what he didn't do. I'm not going on. If at this very point, who I go I say,
who hear me? What? No, if you want this, I'll do this.
You promise me.
I'm sorry. For some no one. Let me have a grab it or not be anti over.
I have ceased to come here what to tell you. No, it's over Jesus. No, God forbid. God forbid that I will go to that terrible house. To that house of war. I just know you have a good plan. And I come back.
You've done me to a process. You've shortened my life.
Where gravity of God? Because of you, I lost my child. I lost my pregnancy. What you call it? Yeah, you're the what can come with me? You end up raping me. Never. Okay, go for it.
Yeah, I see your movie.
Wow. I will never go back to my home. I've made up my mind. I'm not going back there. And anything that you anything that will make me to go back, I have seen that in my life. Take your filthy ends of you. A beast to you. Why a beast? You need help. Unless you need a hair for crying out loud, you need hair. Because it's not ordinary. Wait to tell me where that is. This thing I'm doing is that she deserve it. Anyway, I love you. And okay, this is what you'll be doing. Look how we are doing. But this time around, come on here. Let's go home. See my. See my. Ya kobi. See my.
Sometimes I don't really understand. I really need to feel guilty. What they surprise me and I don't know directly it's just so soon. You promise me. You don't want to leave here with my dead body. I know they
Unless it ain't no year over she's so far for what came away. Who buy away one month? Or who will see that of who was away? Who did you go on? Unless. Tell me what word they would run away for it. Como quando vai ele já o coisa, já o coisa. Não só não vou estar assim, eu arremeu o cu, eu o bem, e pai, e a pare agora. O ano. É que não, e por aí, devo ver do suor. Eu give it. If we don't know, if I and go na that not me. If puni. We were the balance. Back, be wireless. Give me why we when you want to why you want. I mean, what by me, you were you tell me. Now. Now, the guy will remove your keeper. Let the drug guy down there. Everywhere always. You know, everywhere always. One minute, you make baby, if you fear me. And this, God can pay me weakness. Me fear me really. One minute, put ye, or when you fear, here, walk away, will be all like in ya. One minute, put ye, whatever talk back, over running in a life form. Women is in big year. Everywhere, and 2 high or put that way. We are not that we could buy you. Although this is like Google. But I'm going to go on. When you only do my way, who are oh, wait a lie. It's a last bet. Wait. If we are there, unless you are, I don't want to. I was saying, I will now come in. I mean, you're more woman, I would not be there. I don't want to know the day. I don't win. I make it never. I come on. I didn't do now. Well, I don't think it's in a car to go a fear with the big fear. Now, the one who said me, taking the motor on the top. We are getting that just for you like you call you like Most of the motor, we are few motor, whether I tell you where few motor, I don't like it. I was only one in the Igbo one. Yes. What you getting there? What you getting there? What the we are facing, they don't buy it. You are going to be a real one. Get him in again. Anybody will have been silver color. And then put a name down. Mettez la proposition, mettez tout le monde, you go women. But they should be rich. You want to finish me now. You were happy. Or, I want to work like what we are doing. Everybody buys and that's why we are exactly one of us. Yes, I will be back today. We have one. Then we're there, the young I had to really hear. We need to be at the year. We come down. What I person do? Mamma. Isso, como era o que a gente vai, olha que ele isso é que ok se nós se usou levar aqui moto no se vai como ele me é filho vai bom ele não tinha tempo ele não era perfil da do vinha agora tá apoio do filme do vinha isso o lá por deve vir bom na vida ele vai se lá o cultura é de uma viagem é de para o quadro One man money. There are almost 80 million. So see what we live in. What fish? Larry. This the good love. Look at 300,000 man.
If this is the love you promise me, onaga we mama nuya mame mekwe Oh, this love is just an insecurity, and you are too possessive now. Now we mama. But you said that you love me and you treat me like a queen. So queen Agijena, reverse is just the case. You don't have to kill me You've turned me to a pushback and you've shortened my life. Unakwawe woman. This is not the love you promised me. I don't want to live here with my dead body. I know they do, I know they do, I know they do no more. I know they do, I know they do, I know they do no more.
Don't not for it, don't not for it. Oh, they no one for you. Look at it. No, one. Oh, who tell you we come or more, or ever you robalo. Or ever you robalo. No, you go for money, baby. Oh, only in the again. I'm not all love everything, all love everything. Yeah, who power bani me one na? E kama ego gogorio menya. Who atama ego gogorio menya. Ti akukisa go ma wo be.
We tell.
Tani ori tama wo. Anybody got up we. We ya mo bi go go ya.
Ejo wodo.
Don't na je wodo. Don't na je wodo.
E odo le afu ya setu.
Ogbo eva eya ene. Ibi abo pa ma na akomo se ma we. We nwa. Nwa. Ibi ni tama we na. Ibi ni wa tama we na. Don't me be ya ke bo boy. Why is that? Stop, no.
Why you water? If I am there with your mother, why I go say, well, my permission, motor we had Siva Moto Siva, we are there. It's you. That way, but who are the I don't know whether I'm or Russia or man, no, was over. Hey, there, I don't know whether boy, girl, Yama, it is set here, they are to go no man or regarding it. You go away, I'm going to won't be young. I'll go to make for. I did go here, I'll tell you why, who are getting. You don't have who are going to touch a baby car, one hour. Silver motor. We go below the Bible. Why? What did I ever? What did I ever? The power for you. The power. Silver. Me wo e bele le o pa wa re wo do o ya ko mo me wo fa me keke ri idiot let me do me say do o my sycophant.
I know they do, I know they do, I know they do no more. Love is the sweetest thing, so beautiful. Money, maybe well, so.
You know I really like it. I love it. I love to you. Please, start. Just take it time. Take it time. Just take it time.
Yeah, you know, so they don't know you friend. You understand? Well, sometimes I want to remarry you. You don't need to go and use me marriage for better for us. And I have a third party or fourth party. Yeah, my honey, but then it's such a between ourselves. I don't say now. You let me do loud.
Well, Alice. Oh, being a friend, when I say this is something I always want to you. That's why we are friends. But I want to go back one day. I told me, let me go to a narrative or to a narrative in why I will be able to. Yeah, give me some. Give me well or see my him and see my hina or do you or see my him. Also, not going to make one. So that is why I said, okay, let me talk to you. So take it easy with her. When I'm in Emma, stop it. Emma, go on a good manner. Stop it. Now that's loud.
It's just a
no matter.
Yeah, so correct it because my you understand? My dog people you do correct it, correct it. All the way my like and my like. You understand? It's just a normal thing.
Alice, no matter. No matter.
It's like your child. Yeah. Oh, when I will be done, we'll correct it.
Your wife is not your child. You gotta understand this. She's part of you. Both of you have become one. That means we are correct when we are grow up. We are correct.
Mr. Right.
Really?
My heaven no hockey at the right time now.
Really?
Yeah.
Where that be? Take it easy. By the way, on any now, imagine what I'm your name now. Where did you get all this kind of character?
Just a normal thing. Normal thing. Like really young one raised with my parents. Or when he had up bed, or the normal in your bed, or when it's in the more bed, I correct it. You understand? It's just part of me, and then the thing was another. Every year is a yes, it's been not. I want to have to know. Yeah, so before I know it, yeah, about you understand? That's what I come back. Let me ask your family, you look at it. You understand? So just normal thing, I correct someone.
Alice, what? I understand that you grew up seeing your parents doing domestic violence with your father beating your mother all the time. I understand, okay, but there's still room for correction. Opportunity around me who fear with you. Okay, era or visual or beg or tea is one of the woo. Era never do woo. You know, my figure here. So where are we not done now? We're copying a very well visual. Gay, do hang our own way. Get a rally joy and era or visual or era bear. But me, we are correct on our. So, what there's still a room for change. In how is that? What if you try to stop it? Get a soon. If you don't know how we are, I'm a woman like it. No, I have fear me. Jere. Again, I have visual to be a fan of who. Or I can wear who we are who on her bargain. Or who are who on her bargain. So, remember these things and hold yourself, put yourself together as a man. See, the definition of a man is not by a man beating a woman. That's not where the power of a man lies. Your authority is in your words, how you speak, not in action beating your wife. Love will work. Stop it. Right. Let her wear it that will mirror the jewel. Oh, you went now. Oh, the orphan. We know we are orphan now. You have to break this curse, this generational curse that your parents are having this domestic violence and we are the one banner or we are new or so now we will stop it. Still.
your stomach, please. Think, I thought it was normal to Alice.
Love is the sweetest and so beautiful. I want money. If this is the love you promised me, this love is just an insecurity, and you are too possessive now. If this is the love you promised me,
Meaning, sir, seriously, you have lost the pregnancy on the so I can we TV down now by now. So we just ascend the so we know what in the bed. But you want about our shop or wajamu. You understand? So you know what we can go on our shop.
Look on Russia. No amount. When you lost all thanks to you.
I'm mistaken in Benin.
Alright. I'm not interested. You're going on. Now when? Money then.
Let's see. Who are you using again now?
Or guide the home.
Don't talk him, man. Talk about you.
This is disgusting. Stop now. Stop. You want it when money don't have me.
What are you saying now? One way. I don't understand. Yeah, I must do that.
But this is just unacceptable. You made me to do this. Una se ve yo.
Yeah, baby, you devour. No, you devour. Yeah, baby. Don't let my wife come up for this house. If you open this gate, she come out for this house, I will sack you away.
Okay, sir.
Just let me tell you so.
Yes, sir.
Don't put the gate to anybody and they come just now.
Okay, sir.
I swear to God, a marriage is not happening. No, at this very point, I am living for good. And even you were running, because all these wires you were running, my father will always return me back. This time I'm not going to my father's house. I'm coming over to your place. And from there, I'll be traveling to Lagos. I just want to go to a new place and start my life afresh. Yes, I'm already packing few of my stuff. I'm not only viewing here, just few. Yes, I'll come over to your place today. Then tomorrow, we'll travel and go.
If this is the love you promise me, this love is just an insecurity, and you are too possessive now. Boy, you said that you love me and you treat me like a queen. So queen Agijena, reverse is just the case. You don't have to keep.
Okay, woman. Oh, open gate for me now.
That's the one of for you.
That's me you open gate for me.
Yes,
Why?
so if I open up for you, go sack you.
Go sack it. My family come and open this gate for me and let me get out of here.
I'll tell you that one.
Oh, what did he tell you that?
Yes.
Abi?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't want to leave here with my dead body. I know they do. I know they do. I know they do no more. I know they do.
One less with my boy. On over the kids, my kid. Okay, I'm shopping. We worry what I don't want to.
Moto ha we o ka me we ya dem o to go we you ni ya wa da o ka we moto ya adi moto me o boy it's a promise ni ya wa ya yi ma ni re o de o do we da fi dia no ya ha we moto ya adi mo ze bo ni ma ya so ma ri balance ni ya wa me no he moto o mo ri o boy oh yeah, ogwese ijane, ogweye ijane. Ola ilu e ha we buto ya de mu jame. Maya so maya de. Ah, what a meya. Ide o ye, ise we de ase oro me gajesi. Me na fe de anya wa.
If this is the love you promise me, onaga we mama nuya mame mekwe oh, this love is just an insecurity, and you are too possessive now. We mama. Boy, you said that you love me and you treat me like a queen. So queen Agijena, reverse is just the case. You don't have to keep me. You've told me to a pushback and you've shortened my life. Onakwa we mama. This is not the love you promised me. I don't want to live here with my dad.
Where my wife?
She dey inside.
You see my wife dey inside?
Yes, sir.
Why check is that she not dey inside now?
God say you wan come out. That's say you say man no allow her come out.
Oh, the time I take come out, she come say she wan come out.
Yes.
You allow her come out?
No, she dey inside.
She dey inside.
Yes.
If this is the love you promise me, onaga we mama nuya mame mekwe oh, this love is just an insecurity, and you are too possessive now. We mama. Boy, you said that you love me and you treat me like a queen. So queen Agijena, reverse is just the case. You don't know.
Atele. Tu be atele, ya kiki tole. Où est atele? Où be atele?
C'est moi.
Eh.
possessive now.
You are living, you got nowhere.
And you can't stop me this time. I'm leaving.
I can stop you and your generation. Ella is way so when I go where go. Where you go? Where you go? Where? Era no ho wa go. Era ma kopo so wa ba wa go. Let's. Yeah. She's joking.
Oh, this love is just an insecurity, and you are too possessive now. What is it?
My only daughter, Roto, hey! Only one happy when I get. Well, just one happy yes.
Mr. Alex, right?
You know, nice.
I'm Inspector Jacob.
You know, nice.
You have a right to remain silent. Whatever you say or do right now will be used against you in court of law. You are under arrest.
Zegbe.
Let's go.
Zegbe, what no. You take my marié, Zegbe.
Oh, this love is just an insecurity, and you are too possessive.
Ibaba, I have my Izegbe. Cook back we are very coming where Baba, Iwe, Odo, very, yeah, Mamma, we know will be at a water. But we won't know that for any man, we will talk for very. Oh, Zegbe. In area Monia, what we won't know that for any man. I would say, they are coming where Baba, Ebony Magu, cook back a Yahweh, Yahweh, water. It may have been Magu, unless you worry. One face. A foot. Baba daddy, mama egbe, ute ya o Izegbe ya. La me se re ya. Diga se wa mi na na. Iwa wo. Izegbe. Awa Bẹ́ẹ̀ni mi pò wọ́n dẹ́sẹ̀ gbẹ́gbẹ́ yín mímọ̀ ẹ̀rù bọ̀ gbẹ́ mímọ̀ ẹ̀rù bọ̀ dẹ̀ni àdó ta yẹ ilé ọmọ tó ní bí ẹ̀nẹ̀ àwọ̀wọ́
Yeti kiorona. Ya boy bi be meni awuni ya. Ni amo wori osota. Ama o ware ma.
Abuja buti. They don't task it with what I fish I care for that. Ote aguvegwa o daddy baba the number chebe daddy ekedije magu ego bawe go ni wa ri me o ya wa kai popo wa.
This is not the love you promised me. I don't want to live here with my dead body. I know they do, I know they do, I know they do no more. I know they do, I know they do, I know they do no more. Love is the sweetest and so beautiful. I want money.